Are you looking to bring a splash of color and fragrance into your home? Well, you don't need to be a gardening expert to grow beautiful flowering houseplants that bloom all year round. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment or a spacious house, there's always room for a few indoor plants that can brighten up your space. Let's start with begonias. These stunning plants come in a variety of types, such as wax begonia, Rieger begonia, and angel wing begonia. They're known for their vibrant, colorful flowers and attractive foliage. You can grow them in your living room near a window with bright, indirect light. Next, we have the bromeliad, which is perfect for those looking for long-lasting blooms. These plants are resilient and can thrive in low light conditions, making them ideal for those corners of your home that don't get much sun. African violets are another fantastic choice for flowering houseplants. Not only are they low maintenance, but their purple, pink, or white flowers are a sight to behold. These plants love bright filtered sunlight, so a spot near a window is perfect. Geraniums are a classic indoor plant that need a south or west facing windowsill to get plenty of sunlight. In return, they'll reward you with colorful flowers that brighten up any room. Poinsettias are synonymous with the holiday season, but they can bloom indoors throughout the year. Their bright multicolored bracts make a bold statement in any space, and they thrive in bright, indirect light. Peace lilies are loved for their elegant white blooms and glossy green leaves. They can flourish in low light, making them a great choice for darker corners of your home. Christmas cacti are another plant that adds a festive touch to your home. These plants bloom during the colder months and can create a cozy, warm atmosphere indoors. Hydrangeas are another popular indoor flowering plant that adds a burst of color to your home. With the right care, you can enjoy their lush blooms for weeks on end. If you're after something a little more exotic, the lipstick plant could be a unique addition to your collection. This plant produces tubular red flowers, and while it thrives in a warm, humid environment, it doesn't require much care otherwise. Madagascar jasmine, also known as stephanotis, has fragrant white flowers that make it a lovely addition to any indoor garden. This plant will need a bright spot with a few hours of direct sunlight each day to keep it blooming. Impatiens are versatile and easy to grow. These colorful flowers thrive in both shade and sun, and with the right conditions, you can enjoy their blooms all year long. Kalanchoe, a tropical indoor flowering plant, loves sunlight and is perfect for windowsills. Its small, colorful blooms are sure to make an impression. Oxalis, or the purple leaf shamrock, is another eye-catching indoor plant. The showy purple foliage contrasts beautifully with its delicate pink or white flowers. Keep this one in a bright spot to see it thrive. Cape primrose, also known as streptocarpus, has gorgeous flowers that can bloom throughout the year. These can range from soft pinks to blues, and with the right care, they can bloom consistently indoors. The crown of thorns is a low-maintenance flowering plant that thrives in bright sunlight. It produces small, colorful blooms and is a great choice for beginners. Black-eyed Susan vines, with their dramatic yellow flowers, are perfect for adding a touch of brightness to your home. Place them near a large window to ensure they get enough light. Purple heart, or the wandering dude, is known for its stunning purple leaves. When it blooms, it produces tiny pink flowers that are just as beautiful as its foliage. Orchids are a classic, elegant choice for indoor gardens. They require a little more attention than other plants, but their exotic blooms are well worth the effort. Cyclamen, with its heart-shaped leaves and stunning flowers, is perfect for a bright window. These plants bloom in shades of red, pink, and white, adding a beautiful touch to any room. Hoya carnosa, known for its waxy star-shaped flowers, is a resilient plant that can thrive in a variety of light conditions. It's an excellent option for both beginners and seasoned plant lovers. Flowering maples, or abutilon, offer delicate, paper-like blooms in colors like orange, pink, and red. Keep them in a bright spot with indirect light for the best blooms. Brazilian fireworks, with its striking green and silver foliage, can add a pop of color to your home. This plant blooms in the warmer months, filling the air with bright, colorful flowers. Anthuriums, with their long-lasting heart-shaped blooms, are perfect for adding elegance to your home. They're available in shades of red, pink, and white, and even when they're not blooming, their glossy leaves make a statement. Gloxinia is another stunning indoor plant that blooms in late winter and early spring. Its bell-shaped flowers come in vibrant colors and are sure to catch the eye. Clivia, or kaffir lily, is perfect for bright sunny spaces. This plant produces vibrant orange or yellow flowers that are sure to stand out in any room. Silver vase plant, also known as acamia, features gray-green leaves with a stunning pink flower spike. While its blooms don't last long, the plant itself remains beautiful year-round. The bird of paradise is a larger plant that produces exotic blooms resembling birds in flight. It thrives in bright sunlight, so be sure to place it near a sunny window. Calamondin orange is a charming plant that produces sweet-smelling white flowers in the winter or spring. It's a delightful addition to any home. Goldfish plants have red-orange flowers that resemble goldfish leaping out of the water. These bright blooms can brighten any room during the spring and summer. Shrimp plants, with their unique shrimp-like blooms, are an interesting choice for indoor gardens. These plants bloom year-round, making them a colorful addition to your space. Finally, Ixora is a vibrant plant that produces clusters of orange, red, or yellow flowers in the winter. Its bright colors make it a great way to add a tropical touch to your home. And there you have it, 31 of the best flowering houseplants that you can grow indoors. These plants not only brighten up your space, but also add a touch of nature and beauty to your home. Remember, the key to success with these plants is giving them the right amount of sunlight and water. Happy gardening, and I hope your home is soon filled with vibrant blooms.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.